Most freelancers don't lose clients because of bad work. They lose them because of bad communication. You could be the most talented person on Upwork, but if your messages sounds like a robot or you disappear for days without updates, you're done. In this video, I'm going to show you how to communicate with clients in a way that builds trust, gets you rehired, and makes you look like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Here is what freelancers get wrong. They either overshare every tiny update or they go silent for days and expect the client to trust them. Neither works. Clients aren't mind readers, and they're not babysitters either. Let me tell you what happened with my first real client outside of Upwork. I delivered great work. Seriously, it was great. But I made one big mistake. I didn't check in. I didn't confirm timelines. I didn't explain what I was doing. And halfway through the project, they ghosted me. I thought they were rude, but the truth, I was the one who made them feel uneasy. That's when I learned freelancing is 50% skills, 50% communication. So here's how to get it right. Step 1. Start strong. After you land the client, send a quick message confirming everything: timeline, deliverables, how you will communicate. This sets expectations and make you look professional from day one. Step 2. Send updates before they ask. You don't need to repeat every hour, but once every 2 or 3 days, just say, "Hey, quick update. I've done A, working on B, and everything is on track." This takes 30 seconds and builds massive trust. Step 3. Ask smart questions. Don't wait until the final delivery to clarify something. If anything is unclear, ask. It shows you care about getting it right. Step 4. Be human. Talk like a real person. Don't write like you're filling a police report. Be friendly, clear, and respectful. Step 5. Own your mistakes. Something went wrong, tell them before they find out. Clients don't expect perfection, they expect honesty. And here's a bonus tip. Always close the loop. After delivering the work, follow up. Ask if everything looks good, suggest next steps. A freelancer who takes initiative rare and memorable. When you get your communication right, everything becomes easier. Clients trust you, you get more referrals, projects feel smoother, and honestly, you just feel like a pro. If this video helped you in any way, hit like and subscribe. It helps more than you know and tells me to make more videos like this.